Look at that. Ooh, super pretty.
You know, and
Oh
you
my
just
gosh.
put your hand through it, just feathers.
Selfish at her, right? Oh my god. How much nicer. Yeah. No more bulk down there. Really pretty.
Yeah, so pretty.
It feels so good. It's so much lighter.
It is, right? I would love to know, how was your experience
Oh,
here
it was
today?
awesome. It was just perfect.
What did you love about it?
She just listened to everything I said and was able to make modifications from the styles that I had seen online to work with my hair. And she just cut it so fast and so well and gave me some great products. And I'm just so excited.
Oh, I'm so glad. Thanks for being here.
Oh, I'm so glad. I'll be back. It was worth the drive.
Wait, where did you drive from?
I came from Boston.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
You came from Boston. It was worth the drive for
It
you?
definitely was.
Okay,
yes.
good. I'm so glad that you
thank
had
you
a
so
great
much.
experience
I did.
here. The haircut's on YouTube, so then they can show somebody else. Listen, this is how she did my hair. Okay, and she's a little bit like afraid of like having it too short on top, so we're gonna go a little longer, but it's way too long right now. So we are going to get that nice angle right there. There we go. And then look at where it's gonna go down. Okay, she'll have a beautiful feather going that way. Okay, now I'm gonna connect this. All right, I'm not gonna talk because I'm gonna do this. Of course, you know my brain just wants to start talking. And now I'm coming straight out. 90 degree right here.
I never really seem to figure out how to get rid of, like, it's so bulky.
Oh, I just did it.
Yeah.
So it's a 90 degree you have to have down there. Okay, you know what a 90 degree is? It's a straight, like,
Yeah.
you just pull it straight out.
Yeah.
And I usually don't cut so straight, but for your hair, because you know your hair well, I'm listening to you. You understand? Like,
Right.
and then we're gonna see how it works. If you're like, Kimmy, it was awesome because you still have lots of layers, got rid of all the bulk, and it's longer because I didn't cut it real short up top.
Yeah.
It's gonna be shorter, but not as short as I do for a lot of people. See, that's
Yeah,
still
that's what I
long.
was mostly afraid of, because I just
Correct.
know my
You don't
hair,
want it real short.
especially in the
Correct.
summer. Just
And it makes such a big difference when you go through your hair. And when it's just cut right, it's like, it just performs really well.
yeah.
And then we
And
can
all those ends are beautiful.
Yeah.
more to make them more.
See, anywhere I pick it up, it's gonna meet. It's gonna be a perfect ends. Now watch, just watch how this like will lay. They're saying it's gonna be the Jaclyn Smith haircut for sure. It's just gonna come down. You're gonna have all those beautiful, and see how it's not bulky, it's not a bell
Right.
anymore. But it's funny, your hair is thick, but yet it's like smooth. Like whatever we put in it, that formula.
Yes, that's what I was just gonna say.
so
No,
nice
it's
and
the conditioner. I was gonna show you the conditioner, and that made a huge difference.
Yeah, what was that? You put
It's one of
oil.
the masks, the OE,
The oil.
the
Oh,
oil,
really?
the oil butter. That's exactly
I'm
it.
thinking, wow, her hair.
It's the oil butter
nice.
that made the whole difference when I was washing your hair. Because at first it was really hard for it to absorb the water and shampoo. That oil butter really helped. So if you use that, you can leave it in your hair for like 2-3 minutes,
You
5
just let
minutes.
it absorb.
Yeah.
Let it absorb. Like your hair's an absorber. You definitely.
Well, I know, like, even when I go in the sun, I can just feel the sun just like sucking the color out. It just,
It's like a sponge. All right, so now I'm gonna do this. Right, I'm gonna lift this up. This is like section number 4. Got a tiny piece. Now I'm gonna come to this, and then
this is the
right there.
thick part right there.
This is what?
But it's very thick and heavy right there.
Okay. And now we'll do the 90-degree angle right here. All right, now I'm going to see if I need to turn this way, but I don't know. We're going to see. Really? Just touch. All right, now I'm going to check it. Look, that's going all those ends. And now I'm going to check her this way. Right there, leave that right there. So always remember the first 2 weeks, haircut's a little in shock. And then the next 2 weeks, it's perfect. And then the next 2 weeks, I would say, or a month. I feel like you get a good 2 months out of a good haircut.
Yeah, I typically don't get my hair cut
Yeah,
often.
probably every, a quarter you could probably do it.
Yeah.
I'm checking it this way. I have to check it this way. There, right there. See that little section right there? But you're gonna love, love, love these layers. Because they're longer and they're nice and clean. Beautiful. See how I could check it anywhere and it all measures up. Beautiful.
Yeah, I see that.
All right. We ready for incredible blow dry?
Not sure. Whatever this length was, I know it was like nasty length, but if I want to get it longer, then it would just grow out.
Yeah. So I love that you showed me your pictures too. I think that's so good because I'm going to blow it more straight.
Okay.
Get it dry. Look how pretty. So it comes down. I'm going to take the next one, but I'm going to do it up. I'll do that up, but then I'm going to take it down. I take it. So I'm kind of grabbing this hair, but I'm bringing it down so I can get those ends. See how I'm grabbing them?
Oh, nice.
Okay, see those ends? Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends.
Oh, wow. I love how you did that.
Now, do you want me to do this forward at all?
What's that?
Do you want me to do any of it forward?
Here's your way. Oh, I want to. I've never smoked even like that, you know?
Yeah, isn't that so pretty?
Yeah.
So we have, yep. Now I want to come back up here again. I'm just going to get these ends more. These ends are the old blonde.
You feel how heavy that is on those ends?
Yeah.
That's where it needs it.
And you just have to blow dry your hair really well. Right?
Yeah.
If you just blow dry it enough, it'll be easy, right? For days. Just the first day you gotta give it, it's gotta be dry all the way. You can't even let it dry a little bit. It has to be like with a brush all the way through so there's no frizz.
Yeah.
Right there. Gorgeous. So that was that angle that I brought down.
Yeah.
So it's better to run the air first and then strip it off. Yep. See how this nice and falling?
Yeah.
Well, listen, it's a night and day from when you walked in. But listen, we fed it. We gave it the pH balance. You know, if you have the right product, you don't got to spend out $1 million by getting the wrong product that you keep trying to figure it out.
Right.
Right? Products have so much to do with everything. And you just have to use them correctly. I always say, I money back guarantee my products because I believe that if I'm selling you the right product, it's going to work for you and you're going to enjoy it. And then people say, I don't like it. I'm like, okay, how did you use it? And I try to teach them how to use it anyway. And then once they use it, they're like, oh, I didn't use it that way. Or, you know, they don't use enough. We need more. Your hair needs more because it's thirsty.
Yeah.
How much of the front? I'm trying to see how much you're taking to make it the base. That's usually where I have a problem where
I don't know if I'm pulling enough.
I take, even for my own bang, I take like a whole section.
Yeah.
As much as you can get on that brush.
Okay.
So like, it's like the whole size of the brush,
Yeah.
right? So it's like right here.
Okay.
So it's like 1 inch. Take it. And I also bring it up. So I'm putting layers in that hair. Bring it up, and then I like to kind of see how the bangs will get a little like fuller.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at that.
It looks so pretty.
So much better. It feels so much better. Like,
Put your hands through it. It just feels like magnificent hair.
yeah. Oh, it's so nice. I mean,
Right?
it's so light, so much lighter.
And so this is the thing. Do I have to thin it out? I don't think so. Because you know what? Those places, as soon as I got them smooth enough with the blow dryer, they got smooth and soft.
Yeah, I think they really needed the clean cut.
Yeah,
to clean out more than anything.
Yeah, so I think let's just leave it, and
Yeah.
then your next time you can say, you know what, Kimmy, let's do this or that, and yeah, and then you can learn, like, take a little piece of your frame and do it forward, and then take
The rest of
this
it.
back. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. Oh, I've got the challenge. Feeling to be short of layers.
Oh, pretty. Let me show you the back too.
Hey, look at that. Ooh, super pretty.
You know, and
Oh
you
my
just
gosh.
put your hand through
Oh.
with just feathers.
Selfish at her, right? Oh my God. How much nicer. No more bulk down there. Very pretty. Yeah, so pretty.
Your hair for a moment, please. Just like so we could see the layers that are in there. You can turn around. You can turn around.
Feels so good. It's so much lighter.
It is, right? I would love to know how was your experience
Oh,
here
it was
today?
awesome. It was just perfect.
What did you love about it?
She just listened to everything I said and was able to make modifications from the styles that I had seen online to work with my hair. And she just cut it so fast and so well and gave me some great products. And I'm just so excited.
Oh, I'm so glad. Thanks for being here.
Oh, I'm so glad. I'll be back. It was worth the drive.
Wait, where did you drive from?
I came from Boston.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
You came from Boston. It was worth the drive for
It
you?
definitely was.
Okay,
yes.
good. I'm so glad that you
thank
had a
you so
great
much.
experience
I did.
here.